let me show you how to use essential oil correctly to make your house to smell good. Follow me for more tips. Let's open the Amazon gift. Lemon and lavender, lemongrass, tea tree. I'm going to use orange today. This, my house is going to smell orange fruity. And another tips is, yeah, this is, I'm using peppermint to make some drops on my toilet paper. And I'm going to have another one. We have unboxed the essential oil and gift and for Amazon, and now I'm going to tell you the tips how to use it. Like you guys have seen me putting it on the diffuser. That's where you can make your house to smell good. Put it on the diffuser, and also you have seen me putting it on the toilet paper. You can put some drops on toilet paper where you store your toilet paper. Put it there. It's going to make your toilet to smell very good. And also you can put some drops in the cotton inside your rubbish bin, under the rubbish bin, under the rubbish bin, like inside the rubbish bin, and you put your plastic bag. Your rubbish bin will smell always good. Your kitchen always smell good. And you can put it in your home. Put some drops in the carpet. If you have carpet, put some drops in the carpet. Your bedroom will always smell delicious. And when you're having shower, to open up your pore, you can put peppermint tree in your shower when you're having shower. This is the way your house will still smell. And you can put some drops in the toilet, I don't know how to call it, toilet say. You can put some on that, like it will make your house will always smell good. People wondering what you're using. Is the secret of using essential oil. It has different way of using it. This is from Amazon. I'll put the link below if you're interested to get one on my Amazon front store. I put the link below. And my house now, since I put orange, the house is smelling delicious. Thank you.